Traveling is all about exploring and creating memories. If you are focused on seeing the world, you will find yourself in different parts of the world as you take in the sights and sounds of exquisite locations, its history, sample exotic cuisine, buy fancy souvenirs, and learn about various cultures. It can often be very informative. As exciting as these possibilities sound, they also bring with them certain risks that you need to be aware of. People often don't realize that it is important to have travel insurance cover them as soon as they book a trip, so that you will also be protected between now and your departure date. Risks of theft, damage to your property, and unfortunate events that may cause bodily harm to you and your family are ever present, and therefore travel insurance plans are necessary to ensure travel protection and complete peace of mind no matter where you are in the world. This video describes common items covered by travel insurance. It is important to understand what exactly you are covered for and the importance of comprehensive insurance. Before we continue, please consider subscribing. It will really help our channel grow. Obtaining travel insurance. Calculating the cost. Travel insurance are risk-based and considers several factors to determine whether a traveler can acquire a policy and what the premium will be. This generally includes destination, the duration of the trip, the age of the travelers, and any other benefits that they require coverage for, such as pre-existing medical conditions, adventure sports, rental car excess, or high-value gadgets. Some insurance policies will also consider the traveler's estimated trip value to determine price. Journey departure and return conditions. Most travel insurance policies must be purchased prior to departure from home or from the initial departure point, such as an airport. Most policies require you to start and finish your journey in your country of residence. Complimentary travel insurance. Some credit card companies will automatically provide travel insurance if travel arrangements are paid for using their credit cards. But these policies are generic and do not consider personal requirements and circumstances. The most common benefits of a policy. Medical. In the event of minor injury or illness overseas, medical benefits provide coverage for visits to general practitioners, medicine, ambulance fees, and limited dentistry benefits. In the event of hospitalization, most travel insurance policies include emergency assistance services, which can provide guarantees of payment to hospitals for treatment, communicating with treating physicians, and arrange transfers between hospitals or medical evacuations back to the insured person's home country. More comprehensive policies include an emergency companion cover, so that a family member can stay with the insured individual while in hospital. In the event of death overseas, medical benefit sections typically include cover for repatriation of remains to insured person's place of origin, or a burial overseas. Cancellation. Comprehensive travel insurance policies include cover for any cancellation costs or lost deposits relating to cancellation of the insured person's trip for a variety of unforeseeable events and circumstances. These include sickness or injury, natural disasters, and bad weather, strikes and riots, hijacking, and family emergencies. Depending on the policy, it could also include cancellation due to jury duty, being let go from a full-time job, having yearly leave revoked for those in the armed forces or emergency services, and prohibition of or advisory against travel by a government to a specific location. Alternative transport and travel expenses. Many policies include benefits for alternative transport, lodging, and meal costs if the transport provider is delayed by a certain period, provided any layover times met the criteria in the policy. Policies may also include a benefit to purchase essential items like clothing and toiletries in the event baggage is delayed by an airline. Luggage. Luggage benefits cover for loss, damage, or theft of personal effects during one's journey, including passports and other travel documents. It may also include limited benefits for theft of cash. Public liability. This covers legal liability because of a claim made against the covered party for bodily injuries or damage to property of other persons. Optional benefits. In addition to their base policies, many providers offer coverage for declared pre-existing conditions such as asthma, diabetes, cancer, higher-risk sports and activities such as skiing, trekking at high altitudes, scuba diving, and rental car damage. Please subscribe to our channel so that you can be notified as soon as we upload part 2 of this video where we list optional benefits and what is not included in travel insurance.